Loving you never was an option. It was a necessity. The art of love is largely the art of persistence. Love is when you meet someone who tells you something new about yourself. We are shaped and fashioned by what we love. If the path is beautiful, let us not question where it leads. There's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. You are the best thing that's ever been mine. I want all of you, forever, you and me, every day. I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. Mature love has a bliss not even imagined by newlyweds. A true love story never ends. One is loved because one is loved. No reason is needed for loving. You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. You will never age for me, nor fade, nor die. True love is putting someone else before yourself. The love we give away is the only love we keep. You make me want to be a better man. I saw that you were perfect, and so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. Love is that condition in which the happiness of another person is essential to your own. Two are better than one. Love understands love, it needs no talk. We are most alive when we are in love. Love does not dominate, it cultivates. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. We're all a little weird, and life's a little weird. And when we find someone whose weirdness is compatible with ours, we join up with them and fall in mutual weirdness and call it love. If you live to be 100, I want to live to be 100 minus 1 day so I never have to live without you. I love her, and that's the beginning and end of everything. I wish you to know that you have been the last dream of my soul. It was love at first sight, at last sight, at ever and ever sight. I love you not because of who you are, but because of who I am when I am with you. If I know what love is, it is because of you. Love has nothing to do with what you are expecting to get, only with what you are expecting to give, which is everything. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. The only thing we never get enough of is love, and the only thing we never give enough of is love. Love makes your soul crawl out from its hiding place. Nobody has ever measured, even poets, how much a heart can hold. I am grateful that you were born, that your love is mine, and our two lives are woven and welded together. Have enough courage to trust love one more time and always one more time. Lots of people want to ride with you in the limo, but what you want is someone who will take the bus with you when the limo breaks down. If I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I could walk through my garden forever. The giving of love is an education in itself.